The blood circulatory system. The blood circulatory system. We're not dealing with the system for biology. We're dealing with structures. A system comprises of structures, and those structures are involved in processes. So we have body structures, meaning we have the blood circulatory system has body mass structures. And those structures are involved in certain processes. Now, if you are identify, I believe in those and at least we have a glimpse of what the structures or even the processes are. We're dealing with the blood circulatory system. In terms of structures of the blood circulatory system, actually my features, the structures are in the art. The blood circulatory system. The heart, yes, it's very good to try. Of the heart.
Blood vessels.
The blood vessels, yes. Blood vessels.
Blood itself.
Even the blood itself, The blood itself. So we have got the heart, deep, right? Then we have got the blood vessels, and then we have got the blood itself. Function of the heart. What's the function of the heart? Pumping blood, pumping blood to all parts of the body. The vessels.
Passage.
The passage or like the conducting system. So here we have like, for example, you told me about Mazayan and the vascular bundles. Vascular bundles. So the vascular bundles are part of the conducting vessels in plants. So the blood vessels are the conducting vessels in animals. But what is being transported, we have got the blood itself. We have got the blood. So we have got the function of the circulatory system. What are the functions of the circulatory system, right? So the circulatory system normally want to be in back transport blood. The functioning transportation of blood. The function of the entire circulatory system as it transports blood. What are some of the functions of the circulatory system that we can identify? I'm going to do what's the chart.
Transport hormones.
Memory as the blood is being transported throughout the body, it is also transporting more hormones. Very more blood there. More hormones. Transportation of hormones. Transportation of more hormones. What else?
Transportation of food nutrients.
My food substances. Food substances. Oxygen. Yes. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Yes, transportation of carbon dioxide. One, two, three, four. Defense, yes. Defense. By means by means of my cells that white blood cells, especially the phagocytes and lymphocytes. So this is the function of the circulatory system. So as the blood is being transported throughout the body, it is transporting oxygen, it is transporting hormones, it is transporting food substances, it is transporting carbon dioxide. It is involved in the defense mechanisms by means of the white blood cells, which the phagocytes and the lymphocytes. The immunity. That's why we're going to grow much.
What about the distribution of heat? Distribution of heat. Distribution of heat.
Yes, distribution of heat. That is very good. Distribution of heat. Blood is able to distribute heat to all parts of the body. So basically, this is what the blood is doing as it is moving through these vessels. So we have got the heart is pumping blood, and the blood is passing through the vessels. And also we have got the structure of the heart. We have got the different kinds of my vessels. We have got the my vessels, I mean, they carry oxygenated blood. We have got my vessels, I mean, they carry oxygenated blood. The veins, I'm about to carry blood too much, oxygenated or deoxygenated. The body is exactly right. The veins? No, deoxygenated blood. Now, where is deoxygenated blood coming from? It's coming from my tissues. It's coming from my tissues in our heart, so that it should be pumped to my lungs, so that it should be renewed with venom java, then back to the heart, then up to the rest of the body, to the tissues. Now, that's some blood vessels. We have got the veins, the veins, we have got the capillaries, the arteries. So this one, deoxygenated blood. This one, oxygenated blood. Right? Then we have got the capillaries. Now, all of these have got their own adaptations. They are adapted to the function that they carry out as they are being involved in the part of blood circulation. I didn't have adaptations. My veins are my is now also, my capillary is now also. So we have got the blood. Now blood, also blood, if you want to like my components of blood, what is the blood made up of? You can have blood. So that means I'm going to a red substance. There is a reason why the blood is red. There is a reason why the blood is fluid. And when you say fluid, it flows. So why is the blood red? Magaza jama kare ni kaya. Hemoglobin. So the red blood cells, okay, first of all, what is blood? Then we have like blood cells. Blood cells. What else do we have? Plasma. We have got the blood cells and the plasma. By blood cells, then we have got the red blood cells. We have got the white blood cells. We have got the white blood cells. We have got the platelets. Then we have got plasma. And so plasma also we have got water as part of plasma. We have got the dissolved substances, the food substances, the amakam plasma. We also have got the plasma proteins. Much of the plasma proteins, so the components of the major components of the blood that we were talking about, the red blood cells, we have got the white blood cells, we have got the platelets, we we have got the platinum, the plasma. Then we have got the pigment, depending on the second on the surface of the red blood cells, which is the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. Now, magazi is a circulatory system. Something that is circulating everything is moving like in form like of a cell, right? So because when the body goes as we are moving from one step to another step, or from one process to another process, or from one phase to another phase, that's what makes it a circulation. Now, how do you pump blood? We pump blood to the rest of the body. So, my vessels are alright. They are coming from my vessels of white lumen. Like the space inside the vessel is like bigger, from white lumen to smaller lumen. And there is a reason why it is like that. We move from vessels of white lumen to vessels of small lumen. And plasma as it is in the blood, and as the blood is moving from vessels of wide lumen to vessels of narrow lumen, capillaries. Yeah. So my capillaries are loaded, my vessels are made up for a very narrow lumen. There are walls. The walls of the capillaries, they are one cell thick. Then what happens is, since the blood is made up of cells and it is made up of plasma, my capillaries are leak. Right? Plasma or giant leak. Remember, blood is being pumped from the heart to the rest of the body. My capillaries, they are spread all over the tissue, the muscles. So, my capillaries are leak. Plasma or leak. So, when that plasma leaks, it no longer is called plasma. We begin calling it tissue fluid. Then tissue fluid, oxygen, food substances, and then they have to be used by my cells. Remember, the cell is the basic unit of life. All the life processes are cell. All the processes that make life possible are individual cell. So, for the cell to perform its function, it needs oxygen, it needs amino acids, it needs glucose, it needs, in other ways, in summary, food nutrients. So, these food nutrients, remember, they are carried within the blood and they are supposed to be transported to my tissues. I'm going to transport to my tissue because my tissues is where we have the cells. And in those cells is where we have the life supporting process, the metabolic processes. So, tissue fluid, when plasma leak and it becomes tissue fluid, there is an exchange of substances between the tissues, between the cells, the individual cells, and their environment and the tissue fluid. There is high concentration of oxygen in the tissue fluid, and low concentration of oxygen within the cell. But there is a high concentration of carbon dioxide within the cell because of mechanical respiration there, and low concentration of carbon dioxide within the tissue fluid. The chemical exchange. My substances, my using substances in terms of my gases, in terms of oxygen, and in terms of food nutrients, my cells into the lymphatic system, no longer it's called tissue fluid, but no longer is lymph. So the lymphatic system no longer transport lymph. Imabanga transport lymph. So the lymphatic system also has got vessels and has got some structures, the lymphatic structures. Imakani lymph nodes, and have got my structures like the thymus, the spleen, and as many as also they form part of the lymphatic system. Now, lymph node ama nyamuliro ama dosa muje mu lymphatic system muje and ama pangirwa empty mu subclavian vein within the uterus, the circulatory system, right? Ama pangirwa empty mu subclavian vein ndio hapa join with the rest of the blood cells, right? And circulatory system generally, so it goes on and on and on and on like that. Yeah, I forgot one thing that leaks out. Pamela plasma from the leak out. We have got some of the white blood cells. Now some of us are going to leak out. Especially there is a problem. Lupila tissues, phagocytes, means samarani, amabanga. Amakosa kupanga leak out from the capillaries with tissues to fight against pathogens. Right? So about this, I've just given a brief summary of the circulatory system and of the lymphatic system. Hey, so far, is there any question? So I can proceed. I don't know the one. No question, eh? Kapena, yes, I see. Yes. Okay. Do we know really? Plasma, I will check the plasma in blood system, in blood vessels, eh? The leak is now called tissue fluid. The reason why the plasma is leaking is because it's carrying my food substance, it's carrying my oxygen, and they are needed within the tissues. Because the tissues we have got my cells. My cells are they carry out the life supporting processes. So there has to be exchange of materials between the tissue fluid and the substances that are within the cell. My waste substances also are within the cell, with tissue fluid. My using substances also are tissue fluid, with and when that happens, tissue fluid is drained into the lymphatic system. Now it's no longer called tissue fluid in the lymphatic system. It is simply called lymph. Hey, forget about that. Now it's simply called lymph. So they will leave you. Sometimes it's carrying bacteria. I'm calling lymph nodes. They will the lymphatic is in my structures. But my point is where the lymph filter. My bacteria are like my lymph nodes, my lymph structures. Now, to put out the immune system, because I want to actually teach you the immune system. So we have got the immune system. The immune system, immunity. First of all, we have to understand what immunity is. Immunity. Hey, is it a new word? Do we have an idea of what immunity is? If we say the body has developed immunity, do we learn how to say that? There is a word defense, yes. Security, security. Well, I thought you were talking. Okay. Okay, there is defense, there is security. Okay, when we are saying probably the body is now immune to a certain kind of pathogen, to a certain kind of a disease. What we're trying to say is that it has developed a resistance against pathogen attack. So immunity is simply the body's ability to resist pathogens. This is a basic definition of immunity. In other words, some will tell you that exposure to a certain pathogen does no longer lead to illness or sickness. Nobody your body has developed immunity. But I'm here mwinaba jisine kabena hapo nsije amakoza kumwamini amakoza kumwamini kosa sekula mimi kwa maana we're not talking about paranoid yo una mazo mwe zile zinaona asekula nao mimi. So mazi moja muli pathogens kuna bacteria, right? Muli viruses emene mujamo. There is it in a fungus, alimanzimucha. Because your body developed the ability. Maybe you were once exposed to pathogens, you had a mild sickness. And your body was able to fight against such disease, and you got healed. This is a basic now we're used to drinking such kind of water. Although the matter of water, your body is now prepared. If such pathogens come again, we are able to resist them. Because so when the body reaches that state, we say it is now immune. Immunity is the body's ability to resist pathogens, disease-causing pathogens. Now we have the types of immunity. Immunity, I'll talk about it in the most. Tomorrow we're going to talk about two types of immunity. Types of immunity. We have the natural immunity, and the opposite natural becoming artificial. These are the types of immunity. We have got the natural and we have got the artificial. And for each type, we have got subtypes, active and passive. So we have got the natural active immunity, natural passive immunity. Artificial active immunity, artificial passive immunity. They will be learning about natural immunity. Right? Today, my naturally, when your body naturally develops immunity, maybe you were once exposed to a certain pathogen, and now your body has got like markers. Has developed markers. I mean, they are able to notice the pathogen again, and they're able to fight it before it reaches a state because of diabetes and disease. Right? So that one is natural. So when the body is able to form antibodies naturally, is able to form antibodies naturally. A disease in a we bank a fight, a pathogen in a we bank a fight before it begins causing the disease. That one is natural but active immunity. To the most, right? Yeah, passive, the generally maybe antibodies that are being transferred from mother to child during breastfeeding. I'm about to acquire antibodies. Kabena antibodies that are being transferred from mother to child via the placenta. They will acquire antibodies. I mean, they are able to fight a certain kind of pathogen. That is natural but passive. So the recipient of the defense system is passive. It's not involved in the manufacturing of antibodies. Antibodies is a lot of times. Artificially, vaccination, nobody will have got a weekend pathogen is introduced into the animal. So the pathogen is weakened. The body is able to respond quickly to antibodies. I mean, the pathogen in many now, that one is the artificial active. Artificial passive to jump antibodies. You won't come now injecting antibodies. So that one becomes artificial passive immunity. Do you know? To simplify my matters, it's not Jamble no diagram. Jamble no diagram, right? We have got immunity here. Immunity. Immunity, we're going to talk about the features that bring about immunity to be happening. So, what brings about immunity to be happening? Blood circulatory system. We have blood circulatory system. We have the white blood cells. They bring about immunity. Of which this time, these kinds of white blood cells, we will talk about the phagocytes and the what? The lymphocytes. So, we have got immunity is brought about by phagocytes and lymphocytes. Now, Tivane avoided this is all blood cells, they are made in the bone marrow. Now, white blood cells, they are made in the bone marrow of short bones, sternum, the ribcage. Red blood cells, right? They are made in the bone marrow of short bones, sternum, and the ribcage. My white blood cells, they are made in the bone marrow of long bones. Right? They are made in the bone marrow of long bones. So we have got the phagocytes and we have got the lymphocytes. Now, phagocytes, they are also called granulocytes. They are also called granulocytes. These ones are called granulocytes because they contain granules. They are called granulocytes because they don't contain granules. a typical shape of a white blood cell and of a phagocyte. The phagocyte is irregular shape, something like that. Even the nucleus, remember the white blood cells have got nucleus. The red blood cells do not have nucleus. Phagocyte nucleus yake imakaa long shaped and you have got the granules and then Muzakambona kwa maiso abweleza blood cell something like this. And muzakozilira bwenye njani phagocyte. So we say its nucleus is a long shaped. Nucleus long shape, irregular shape, something like that. Granulocytes. I've also given you this name granulocytes simply for the sake of treating you in our minds. They are not going to show you the phagocytes. As I was saying, granulocytes. So remember, all of them are granulocytes, the phagocytes. Why are they called granulocytes? Because they have got granules, right? The typical shape. Nucleus.